What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. I have an early look to give y'all at a hat that is dropping Tuesday at Hat Club. It is this Yankees from Hat Club's drop, Basecamp. Now the collection is a mixture of fitted hats and A-frames, but this is the one. This is the one that I had to bring home. It is a very nice elevated Yankees hat. The fabric for both the crown and the visor have a raw, almost linen look to it, but that is in appearance only. The hat is actually 100% cotton and made in Bangladesh, for those of y'all that are wondering. White Yankees front logo, and it does stand out nicely against that light cream colored cotton fabric on the crown, but it doesn't do too much. Like I said, this hat has a very clean, elevated aesthetic to it that I'm really feeling. The side patch is really where you start to see some color, and those colors really tie together the whole Basecamp collection. So you got some purple in there, there's two different yellows in there, a little bit of green, of course, outline the whole thing in white so that it matches the white Yankees front logo. Very nice touch. There's also a little bit of black in there. Flat batterman on the back, white in the middle, black on one side, purple in the opposite corner. Tonal New Era flag. It's the same off-white color as the crown and the visor. Green UV, which I like. I feel like it kind of accents the little bit of green that's in the side patch. So that's a good look. White sweatband, and there are a couple of extra tags on the sweatband, so let's take a look at those. You have the Hat Club branding tag on there, of course, and then there's also a 3 Looms tag in there. So 3 Looms has worked with New Era for quite a while now. They've made a couple of fabrics for New Era. If I'm not mistaken, 3 Looms is really into doing like premium Japanese fabrics, but they're actually based in Brooklyn, if I'm not mistaken. So shout out to 3 Looms, because they have been working with New Era for quite some time now, and the fabric on this hat is beautiful. If you have a Hat Club store near you and they're gonna have the Yankees, or I believe a couple of other hats also use this fabric from the collection, go see it in hand. This is one of those ones where you have to see it, hold it, and look at it for yourself. But of course, if you don't have a Hat Club store near you, they will be available online tomorrow, Tuesday, at 2 p.m. Eastern, Hat Club online and the website. I wear a fitted hat every day. 99.9% of the time, I am wearing a fitted hat. So having hats like this in my collection that can kind of be dressed up a little bit more and have more of an elevated feel to them is really important to me, because sometimes, you know, you want to step out, go to a nice restaurant, have a little brunch date, and this is definitely a hat that would suit that occasion. So, you know, you want to have hats for different appropriate times. In general though, it's just a really nice hat. I'm really digging that fabric. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I really appreciate it, and I will check y'all out in the next one.